Ever wondered what airlines are hiding from you? Today we're revealing 12 secret flight tricks airlines don't want you to know. From booking flights like a pro to snagging incredible upgrades, these are the tips the airlines hope you'll never hear about. If you want more insider travel tips, hit that subscribe button before we take off. Here's a simple trick that can save you a surprising amount of money when booking your next flight, one that many frequent travelers swear by, but most people overlook. Always search for flights in incognito or private browsing mode. This special mode prevents your browser from saving your search history, cookies, or site data, which can make a big difference when it comes to airfare. Airlines and booking sites use cookies to track your searches. If they notice you repeatedly searching for the same route or dates, they may interpret this as growing interest and respond by increasing the prices, hoping to pressure you into booking quickly before fares go up even more. By using incognito mode, you essentially become invisible to these tracking tactics. This means you're more likely to see the real lowest fares available, rather than artificially inflated prices based on your browsing behavior. Sometimes, simply opening a new incognito window and searching again can reveal a cheaper price for the exact same flight you just looked up. It's a quick step that can lead to significant savings, especially on popular routes or during peak travel seasons. For best results, clear your cookies or start your search in incognito mode right from the beginning. This way, you avoid leaving any digital footprints that airlines or travel sites can use to adjust prices. Make this a habit every time you book, and you'll maximize your chances of scoring the best deals on airfare. Let's dive into the world of airline error fares, those rare, almost unbelievable ticket prices that pop up when airlines or booking systems make a mistake. These errors can happen for a variety of reasons. Maybe someone entered the wrong number, a currency conversion glitch occurred, or a technical hiccup slipped through the cracks. Whatever the cause, the result is the same. Tickets that are far cheaper than they should be, sometimes by hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Imagine flying business class for the price of an economy seat, or snagging a premium cabin experience that would normally be out of reach. These error fares can make luxury travel accessible to almost anyone who's quick enough to grab them. Sometimes, you'll see round-trip flights to Europe for under $200 or cross-continental journeys that cost less than a night out in your own city. These deals are real, but they're incredibly fleeting, often disappearing within hours or even minutes of being discovered. That's why it's crucial to stay ahead of the game. Sign up for alerts from websites like Secret Flying, The Flight Deal, or Airfare Watchdog. These platforms specialize in tracking down error fares and sending out instant notifications, so you can be among the first to know when a mistake fare appears. When you spot an error fare, don't hesitate, book it immediately, have your payment details ready, and be prepared to act fast. Hesitation can mean missing out, as these deals are often corrected by airlines in no time. After booking, wait for your confirmation email. If you receive a ticket number and confirmation, there's a good chance the airline will honor the fare. While there's always a risk the airline might cancel, many travelers have successfully flown on these tickets. In the worst case, the airline cancels your ticket and refunds your money. No harm done. But in the best case, you'll be packing your bags for an incredible adventure at a fraction of the usual price. Error fares are a golden opportunity for savvy travelers, so stay alert and be ready to seize the moment. Hidden city ticketing is a clever travel hack where you book a flight with a layover in your true destination, rather than booking a direct flight there. For example, if you want to go to Chicago, you might book a ticket from New York to Denver with a layover in Chicago, then simply get off the plane at the layover city. This method can sometimes save you a surprising amount of money, especially on routes where direct flights are expensive or in high demand. The reason this works is that airlines often price flights based on demand and competition, not just distance. So, a ticket with a layover can sometimes cost much less than a non-stop ticket to the same city, even though you're technically traveling farther. Websites like SkipLag specialize in uncovering these hidden city fares, making it easier for travelers to spot deals that aren't obvious on traditional booking sites. These platforms search for flights where your intended destination is actually a stopover, helping you save big. However, it's important to know that airlines strongly discourage this practice. If you use hidden city ticketing frequently, you could face penalties such as losing your frequent flyer miles, having your ticket canceled, or even being banned from the airline. Another major limitation is that you can't check any bags, since checked luggage will always be sent to the final destination on your ticket, not your layover city. You'll need to travel with carry-on only. Because of these risks, hidden city ticketing should be used sparingly and only when the savings are truly significant. It's best for one-way trips, and not recommended if you need to return on the same ticket. Always carefully weigh the potential savings against the possible consequences before trying this strategy. Make sure you understand the airline's policies and use hidden city ticketing only when you're comfortable with the risks involved. Don't just search your main airport. Compare prices at all nearby airports. Smaller airports can mean cheaper flights, fewer fees, and less hassle. The same goes for your destination. Look within a reasonable driving distance. A few extra minutes of searching can save you big. Collecting airline miles and credit card points is key, but use them wisely. Focus on 1 or 2 airline alliances and maximize your earning with the right credit card. Redeem points for high-value flights, like long-haul or premium cabins. Check transfer partners for better deals than booking directly. With the right strategy, you could fly business class for less than economy. Avoid booking flights on weekends. Prices are usually higher. Instead, book midweek, especially Tuesdays and Wednesdays, when fares drop. Studies show you can save up to 25% just by shifting your booking day. Set a reminder to check prices during the week for the best deals. Don't guess at flight prices. Set fare alerts with Google Flights Skyscanner or Hopper. These tools notify you when prices drop for your chosen routes and dates. No need to check daily. Just wait for the perfect deal to land in your inbox. Let technology do the work and never overpay again. Skip overpriced airport food. Bring your own snacks. Pack an empty water bottle to fill after security. You'll save money and always have food you actually want. The right seat can make your flight so much better. Check seat maps and use Seat Guru for reviews on legroom and comfort. For extra space, try booking an aisle and window in a row of 3. Often, the middle stays empty. Sometimes paying a bit more for a good seat is worth it, especially on long flights. Choose wisely for a smoother journey. Most travelers don't know their rights when flights are delayed or canceled. In the US and Europe, you may be owed cash compensation, sometimes hundreds of dollars. Research your rights before you fly and don't settle for less than you're owed. Lounges aren't just for business class. Day passes, credit cards, or memberships like Priority Pass can get you in. Enjoy free food, Wi-Fi, and a calm space during layovers. Sometimes lounge access costs less than what you'd spend in the terminal. Want a free upgrade? Dress well, check in early, and be polite to gate agents. If you have elite status or a credit card, make sure your info is up to date. Sometimes, just asking about upgrades works, especially on less crowded flights. It never hurts to try. That's 12 secret flight tricks airlines don't want you to know. Use even a few of these and you'll save money and travel smarter. Subscribe for more travel tips and safe travels. Let me know if you need further tightening or want to adjust the tone.